We're here today unboxing my very first Thrive Market grocery box. I have been doing some research on this Thrive Market, and here's a quick download. Okay, this is not a sponsored video to start. Thrive Market is a subscription-based grocery platform that offers all organic, non-GMO, dye-free, gluten-free, paleo-friendly, kosher, whatever your dietary needs are, Thrive Market can meet them. Soy-free, peanut-free. Like, this is a market tailored towards healthy living. We're on a mission. We're on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. My goal with trying out this Thrive Market and continuing forward with it is making the foods that I want to feed my child and blend into feeding myself, transition into feeding myself and the rest of my family, I can easily find on this Thrive Market, and I know that I'm going to feel good about anything that I get from it. Now, am I still playing around with the prices and things of where maybe I can get things at a better price? Yes. But as for the rest of the organic in those types of foods, it is going to be a really good, easy to find, and they say it's 30% off like the leading market products. So made with 100% recycled content and sent with carbon neutral shipping. So another thing about them is they are trying to do this in a green way. They offer pantry items, meat, and all their meat is sustainably sourced and things like that. So let's get into this unboxing. Paper, right? Paper. Okay, also with this first box, I got a $60 value gift. This here book. So that's item number one on here. Okay, cool. Okay, these organic Annie's cheddar organic bunnies. I thought these could be a really good snack for Lincoln. When we're not really into the snack phase, like he doesn't really get snacks throughout the day, but I figured maybe this is a good way to transition into that. I know it's not going to have any dyes, and like it says, it's organic and non-GMO, so those are really important to us. Steel cut oats. This is a Thrive Market brand. They have a lot of their own things, and I got the steel cut oats because we like to have that for breakfast as one of our things. So this is what I've been getting, which is also an organic. Can we not have this issue today, please? Thank you. So I was going to take a look at the size, the price, this and that. They're both organic, non-GMO. So really it's about how much are you getting for the price type of thing going on there. This was a free gift, gluten-free bow tie pasta. I'm not concerned, sorry about that, I'm not super concerned with the gluten-free thing. We're more focused on organic, non-GMO, definitely dye-free, but those things aren't ride or die things for us either. Like this is non-GMO, but it doesn't look like it's organic. But some couscous, just to kind of, you know, throw something in there with our rice and noodles. Which, speaking of rice and noodles, we got the Thrive Market organic mac and cheese that we're going to try. I also got the Annie's brand mac and cheese from Walmart a couple days ago. Another gift was this almond butter. Hey now, there we go. Almond butter, and again, that's that Thrive Market brand. Organic, non-GMO. I think it's organic. Maybe I'm lying because I don't see it on here. Whole30 approved. Super cool. Organic ginger paste. Now this I chose because, come on, homie, I want to incorporate ginger into my cooking. I know that it's really good for you, but it's so difficult to do it from the raw, like to, you know, peel it and then mince it or whatever you want to do. So I figured this might be a really nice, easy way to get that incorporated into our cooking easier. An easier way for it to be easier. And again, the recyclable packaging here. This was another gift. Ghee. I don't know how many of you are familiar with ghee. I saw this in the store also. I was like, what is it for? Yeah, clarified butter. So you basically use it anytime you would use butter. Butter. Butter, butter. And taco. Well, this is in a plastic bag, so that's not cool. But everything else, I would say great packaging. Again, the Thrive Market brand. This was a really good comparable price to non-organic, like at Walmart and stuff. Like, I don't want to shop at Walmart anymore, but like, you know. So, I'm excited. We're going to use these tomorrow. We're almost done with our oatmeal. We're going to try these today. Yeah. So this is, our one step at a time, 0.01% at a time, making our life better. This is one way that I know that I can get a few more things into our diet mix that are better for us. And are these processed? Yes, but maybe they're less processed. Maybe they're missing the super bad ingredients or just have better ingredients for us in general. And so this is a way that I can shop for our food and feel better about what it is exactly that I'm purchasing. So yeah, stay tuned. I can't wait to order my next box. It's here, we're here, it's happening. Packed by Mark. Boom. The handy dandy package opener belongs to a better market. There we go. Thrive Market go-to box number 2. Paper. Frosted berry pastry over here. Come on. These are going to be a breakfast option for Lincoln, especially if we are out and about. Jade Pearl rice ramen with miso soup. Oh, it's upside down. I'm excited for this. Farro with quinoa quick cup. I tried to get a few things that would be like quick and easy things to make or eat. I have a hard time like making big complicated, like I don't have a hard time, like I can do it. It's just that my husband is so picky. More cheddar bunnies. We did just finish the box, so once a month is gonna be perfect for us for that, although we have different snacks now too. So anyhow, Asian things I'm really trying to get into, and other like good grains. And these things that are processed, but they're like no artificial flavors, synthetic colors, made with real fruits, or hopefully that's just better ingredients in general. Okay, something here I'm excited to try. Vanilla cold brew milk latte. Okay, can we figure out? There we go. Your daily latte with a collagen boost. Oat milk latte. Ooh, I'm excited. Only a single shot. No refined sugar. Dairy free. This brand also has other like pops and stuff, I do believe. Now some things they do have a 2-item minimum. For example, all the things that you see here so far that have 2, so the rice ramen, the Farro quinoa quick cup, these drinks have a 2-item minimum. Organic cranberries. This I was hoping for to be another good little snack for Lincoln. More steel cut oats. Okay. This original snack mix, also from Annie's, very similar to the cheddar bunnies, but it's got some other stuff in there too. A rice pilaf from this Near East brand instead of couscous, because I still have some of that. My husband said it was weird, like it's basically just a noodle. Why is it weird? And another something that came in a plastic bag. I don't remember. Oh, is this the sauce? seems pretty long to be the sauce. It is the sauce. Okay. Noble Made garlic parm sauce right here. There you go. I'm excited for this. My plan for this is to make like a chicken slow cooker meal with like pasta or something. Just something different. Give us a different flavor. It does say wing sauce. Maybe we'll try it with that too. You know, I don't know how much sauce I'm gonna need for whatever. So, yes. Well, bam, bam, sham-lam. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. I hope you go and check out Thrive Market. If I have any sort of a link or discount code that I can get for you, I'll always drop those down in the comment section or the description box for you. I love you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And may your life be full of love. See you next time, thanks.